Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can download Hogwarts Legacy for free on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to download Hogwarts Legacy for free on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Epic Games, and then you're going to click onto this first link from store.epicgames.com. You're going to go ahead and log in with your account here, and once you're done logging in, you're going to click download on here, and you're going to download Epic Games Launcher on your computer. And once you download it, you're going to go ahead and install it, and after you're done installing it, you're going to open Epic Games Launcher on your computer. If you already have an account, you're going to log in with your account, but if you don't have an account, you're going to create an account, and once you're done creating it, you're going to come here, you're going to search for Hogwarts Legacy. Here it is. You're going to click here, and there you have it. Now I can just click install, and then it will download Hogwarts Legacy on my computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.